Have you ever wondered how professional Python programs display numbers with commas, round decimal values, align text neatly, or add leading zeros? All of this is done using format specifiers. In today's video, you'll learn all the important format specifiers in Python with simple examples. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn Python format specifiers. A format specifier tells Python how to display a value. Instead of changing the actual value, it changes only how it appears on the screen. We learn them one by one with simple examples. Let's create few variables. We'll use these variables throughout the video. First is width specifier. The number 15 tells Python to reserve a total width of 15 characters. Since Rahul has only 5 letters, Python fills the remaining space with blank spaces. Numbers are right aligned by default. Next is left alignment. The less than symbol means align the text to the left. Now the number starts from the left. The greater than symbol tells Python to place the text on the right. The number starts from the right. Now let's place the text exactly in the center. The caret symbol places the text in the center. The number is in the center. Until now, Python has been filling empty spaces with blank spaces, but we can use any character we want. Let's use asterisk. The star becomes the fill character. Let's use hyphen in the center. The first symbol becomes the fill character and the second symbol decides the alignment. Next is zero padding. The zero tells Python to fill empty spaces with zeros instead of blank spaces. The total width is 5 characters. Let's take another example. Now the total width becomes 8 characters. Next, we'll learn some of the most commonly used format specifiers for numbers. First is decimal places. There were 4 digits after decimal in marks variable. Point 2f means display the number with exactly 2 digits after the decimal point. Python rounds the number automatically. Let's take another example. Now Python displays 3 digits after the decimal point. Point 0f removes the decimal part completely and rounds the number to the nearest whole number. Next is sign specifier. The plus sign tells Python to always display the sign of the number. Next is minus sign. The minus sign is the default behavior. Positive numbers don't show a sign, while negative numbers show the minus sign. Next is space. Using a space reserves one position for the sign. Positive numbers get a leading space, while negative numbers still display the minus sign. Next is thousands separator using comma. The comma inserts commas between every 3 digits, making large numbers much easier to read. Next is underscore. Instead of commas, Python uses underscores as separators. Now let's learn how to display decimal values as percentages. The original value of percentage is 0.875. The percentage specifier multiplies the value by 100 and automatically adds the percent symbol. This is the second example of percentage. Python can also display numbers in different number systems. First is binary. Let's move to another example. Now let's convert numbers into octal. This is the character O. The O format specifier converts a decimal number into octal. Let's move to another example. Finally, let's learn hexadecimal numbers. The X specifier converts a decimal number into hexadecimal using lowercase letters. The capital X specifier also converts the number into hexadecimal, but it uses uppercase letters. Next, we learn scientific notation, general formatting, and character formatting. First is scientific notation. The E format specifier displays a number in scientific notation. It is useful when working with very large or very small numbers. Here, E plus 06 means decimal point has been moved 6 places. Capital E works exactly like small e. The only difference is that it displays an uppercase E. Now let's learn a format specifier that lets Python automatically choose the most suitable representation. General format. Small g stands for general format. Python automatically chooses the most appropriate way to display the number, removing unnecessary trailing zeros and switching to scientific notation when appropriate. Let's move to another example. For very small numbers, Python automatically uses scientific notation. Capital G is the same as small g, except it uses an uppercase E in scientific notation. Our final format specifier displays a number as its corresponding Unicode character. C converts an integer into its corresponding Unicode character. Here the Unicode value 65 represents the letter A. Let's take another example. The Unicode value 97 represents the lowercase letter A. The Unicode value 48 represents the character 0. Congratulations, you have successfully learned the most important Python format specifiers. In this video, we covered width, alignment, fill characters, zero padding, decimal precision, sign formatting, and other format specifiers. These format specifiers help you display data in a clean, professional, and readable way, making your Python programs look much better. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. In the next video, we'll continue our Python journey with another exciting topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.